Hello family, let's prepare pumpkin pancakes. As you can see, that one is pumpkin and those are the ingredients. Yes, thanks again for clicking this video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this planet. Welcome to another vlog. I've already chopped pumpkin. We are going to use milk, cinnamon, sugar, baking soda, and 1 egg and a pinch of salt. Thanks again for clicking this video. I'll appreciate your love and support. If this is your first time, kindly consider subscribing, smashing the red buttons whenever I upload a video, be notified. And to all my returning subscribers, I'll appreciate your love and support. May the Almighty Lord bless you for me. Have you ever tried pumpkin pancakes? How was it? Yes, now I'm going to add them in the blender and I'm going to add 1 egg, that one, and I'm going to add just a pinch of baking soda. Yes, and cinnamon, like a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yes, and I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and a pinch of salt, and I'm going to blend till it becomes soft. Yes, as you see, I'm going to add I'm also going to add a half cup of all-purpose flour, and also brown or wheat or atta flour, a half cup, and I'm going to blend. You see, blended, but there are some still chunkies, small pieces, but no, don't worry. We are just going to cook them that way. Have you ever tried this kind of pancake with pumpkin? How was it? Tell me in the comment section. Now let's cook. Make sure the pan is hot. I've already added oil and I'm now adding the mixture. As you see, yes. Spread it properly. After it have started bubbling, just flip it and cook on the other side. Guys, I'll appreciate for always coming back to watch my videos. May the Almighty Lord bless you for me. Let's support each other so that we can grow, because in this white journey you can't do by yourself. You need friends to uplift you, to motivate you. Yes, let's support each other. Let's connect with whom we don't have in our houses. Yes, repeat the same process until all the mixture is finished. Yes, keep watching. calm down. Now it's time to sprinkle the pancakes with cinnamon. I'm really addicted to cinnamon because it has a lot of many health benefits, and also honey. As you can see, I'm just sprinkling. Yes. If you are still with me this far, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you guys. I love you. Pumpkin pancakes are looking yummy and inviting and very easy to prepare. So look at our soft and fluffy pumpkin pancakes. See? Just have a look. Let me taste. I see how it is. Yes. Very soft. I didn't know pumpkin can make such delicious pancake. Yes. Thanks guys for watching this video. I appreciate your love and support. If you are with me this far, may the Almighty Lord bless you for me. I thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. I say big thank you. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Bye. Love you. Bye.